Welcome to ECTV Tries, where the only plan is no plan. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Gabby. The one thing we sometimes do on Tries is we don't know the task at hand until the camera starts rolling.
However, we have been given a hint. This week's hint is, how well will you serve today's task? I don't know what we're serving. I am a waiter at home. I don't know if that helps out today.
Can't wait to find out. Let's see what today's task is.
Okay. Your task. You will be playing Dizzy Waiter. Oh. You will take turns spinning in a circle, then trying to hand each other the tray of water. The objective, don't spin. Oh, Lord.
Okay.
Well, this is going to be so super
Okay.
amazing.
It could be worse.
It could be way worse.
Yeah.
So. Well, all right. We will be right back after we set up our task. And we're back.
All right, let's begin.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Do you want to spin first? You want me to spin first?
We can do rock, paper, scissors.
Let's do that. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Haha. You get to go first.
Thanks.
This is really fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh no. Oh no. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
I wasn't so... I don't even think I need this.
Okay, your turn.
I'm stuck. Oh no.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready. That looks so funny.
Hello.
1, 2, 3. Oh no. 4, 5, 6. Oh god. 7, 8, 9, 10. Hang on. Oh, I can't see. Hang on.
Oh, she's done. She's got show over.
Dude, I was spinning so fast.
15 times.
I'm just gonna fall
Hey.
directly to the floor. It's fine. I don't mind.
Okay. Are we spinning right now? Like we're... No, like correctly, like this. Okay.
No idea if they can hear me on the mic.
Okay.
Woohoo!
15 times fast. Okay.
Nervous.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Oh no. Go, go, go. Ah! Oh no! You got like 2 of them over. So much water everywhere.
No, wait, watch, sorry.
Yeah. Kind of nervous how fast it is. 15 times? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is probably 15. Oh. I'm so good. Oh my god. I'm like a butterfly getting its wings. So I should fall this way is what I'm hearing.
Well, if we spin this way, okay.
We're back again.
We're back again. Whew. Okay. We just okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh god. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I got him! How? Yeah, I'm not gonna have this much luck.
Let me ground myself. Hold on.
Take your time.
Okay, we're back.
I'm so nervous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh no.
Jane.
Hello? Oh no. Oh no.
Got me.
Oh no. Spinning everywhere, spinning everywhere. I got it though.
Let me know
Ow.
when you're ready.
Oh no. Oh my god. Good luck.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Oh no. Oh, don't trip. Please don't trip. I got him.
Grounded.
Grounded. Just lay down.
Grounded.
Okay.
Grounded.
Okay. I'm so nervous, guys. 15
Okay.
is a lot. Twice, that's basically 30 spins. And 20. Are you ready?
Yes.
I was pulling the screen so it's like
Let me
protected.
just.
Okay. Well. 1, 2, oh no. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh no, I'm going down. 20. Ah! I can't see anything. Where's the water? Camera, I'm coming. Oh no. Oh no. Sit down.
Here's the tiger.
Ah! Ah!
Too good at this.
It's wet down here. Oh, Brooke hates me.
Oh, Jane.
So funny. You're all wet now. Oh.
That about wraps it up for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Gabby. Thanks for watching ECTV Tries.